guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a really quick Target baby registry free gift bag opening unboxing for you. So I went to target.com, created a baby registry. Just enter like your name and your partner's name if you want, your due date, anything you know about the baby. They have like different questions, but a lot of them are optional, like you know, whatever. So like, is the gender a surprise and things like that, I think. But I went in person then to get my free bag. So I just stopped by a Target, I walked to the front and I said, hi, I'm here for my Target baby registry gift. And the girl didn't even like take my info or anything this time. Like she wasn't like, okay, what's your name? I'm like, I'll look you up. She was like, here you go. She just handed it to me. I was like, okay, thanks. And I just left. So I was like, dude, I could totally do that again at a different location. But I didn't, I just got the one. I was like, well, I'm gonna see what it is. And then there's tons of Targets around here. Since nobody's like jotted down that I already got my free gift, I feel like if I was like not a good person, I could totally just go to the one down the street, get another gift bag. If they don't ring me in the system also, go to another Target, get my other free gift bag. But I don't know. I'll let you judge for yourself if it's worth it. I mean, we're not even gonna publish the Target baby registry link for anybody, but if somebody like goes to Target and like wants to look up my name and see if I'm registered, they will find things on a registry. Like they can look up my name or my husband's name, but I'm not gonna like put that link, share it on my baby shower announcements or, you know, whatever. Okay, so this is the bag. It is a nice reusable bag and it has a snap at the top. It's like a reusable grocery bag, kind of on the smaller side though. But yeah, the little plastic snap. Very good closure. It's like a pretty good bag, honestly. It's just like gray with white clouds. Okay, so let's get into what's in here. I'm just gonna start with like the biggest thing first because there's like that big purple thing is like taking up a lot of the room. So if I just take that out, I feel like you guys will be able to see a lot more. So this is a Philips Avent natural bottle, the most natural way to bottle feed. So this is a free bottle. Obviously I haven't opened it, but I will go ahead and do that. I'm gonna have to, you know, sanitize it before I give it to the baby, but it is a 4-ounce bottle and it looks like the 4 is right here. So I feel like you could go to like 5 or 6 ounces in here. Comes with the lid, nipples on it. But yeah, that's free. I don't know what kind of value that is, but it says other, you know, free gift inside. So it comes with like a little pamphlet about Philips Avent products. Their pump, no coupons or anything. That's what I really wanted to know. But yeah, I think that bottle's like nice to have. Like we usually use Medela bottles because I have used a Medela pump with my daughter, but I'm sorry, if you're gonna give me a free one, I'll take it. And then I got the Dr. Brown's Natural Flow bottle as well. This is a 4-ounce bottle, reduces colic, spit up, burping, and gas. So this was also in there for free. Dr. Brown's bottle. So why not? But yeah, it just, free bottle. I don't mind opening it. Like I said, I have to wash them anyway, so. Comes with the cap. Pretty nice. I'm impressed. Nipples on there. Awesome. So it's nice to have new bottles. Like I have a ton of bottles for my daughter and she's only, you know, 2 now, so. But like I was gonna replace all the nipples and then I was like, oh, I kind of just want new bottles. Like they look kind of filmy, they're not like crystal clear anymore. So it is nice to have a 2 new bottles here. And then this is the Little Big Deal book, over an $80 value. It's like the Target coupons. So basically it's just like a bunch of coupons. So I'm not gonna go through them all, but a bunch of coupons that you can use at their store for baby gear, baby stuff. A lot of like Bath and Body soap, wipes, diaper genie refills, even nursing pads, Tums, maternity, 15% off an Isabel maternity purchase, 40% off purchase of 2 nursing bras or camis from a bunch of different brands, baby monitors, water wipes, diaper rash cream bottles, formula, Bath and Body stuff. Yeah, so this is just a coupon book that's all good at Target, which is nice. Like if you were gonna do your registry there, why not? I also got this Nook orthodontic pacifier, and this says 0 to 6 months, and it is gender neutral. It's like clear with like little gray dots and a white plastic ring. That was free. I mean, I think this is probably like, I don't know, $2 to $4 value, but okay. This is a size 1 diaper by the Up and Up brand. It is 2 diapers in here, 8 to 14 pounds. Yeah, and there's like a whale and a bubbles pattern on them. But 2 size 1 diapers by the Up and Up brand. I guess they just want you to be able to try them out and see if you like them so that you come back and purchase your diapers from their brand. A sample of Lansino disposable nursing pads. There's 2 of them in there. And 2-pack of breast milk storage bags by Lansino. Always good to have these. I like these for like travel. Like I usually buy a big box of breast pads and a big box of breast milk bags. But like if I'm just gonna go to like church, you know, like I could throw this in my purse, and then if I start like leaking like crazy, I can just throw a pad in there and I'm good. There's a couple of samples here. This is the Johnson & Johnson's bedtime bath. And it's just like the No More Tears. I guess it's the bath wash, not like body wash or soap. It's like you put it in the bubbles, you know, the bath. And then this is the Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion. These are, the bath liquid is 1.7 fluid ounces, and this Aveeno is 1 fluid ounce. So they're little, but free. Like, I'm not complaining. For free. And this is Honest Company, our best diaper ever, size 1, 8 to 14 pound diapers. And it looks like you get, well, what's in here? I'm just gonna have to open it. I think it's diapers and wipes. Never tried their diapers or wipes, so yeah, there's a 10-pack of their gentle, durable wipes from Honest Company. And 2 diapers. Oh, this one's so cute. It's little strawberries. So I guess if you had a boy, you might not like it. It's like pink with red strawberries and green leaves. And then this one. But they're size 1, 8 to 14 pounds. So that's good. For free. I don't know much about Honest Company other than, you know, what I see on the internet, which is just like, oh, they're natural, blah, blah, blah. But I'm probably not going to spend the extra if they cost extra. And then I got a Pampers Swaddlers 1 free diaper. And it looks like it is a, I think it's a size 1 as well. It's in a bag, let me see. Can't tell. Yeah, it's a size 1. And then in there, there's a coupon for $5 off Pampers diapers with purchase of a 333 count or larger Pampers wipes. So $5 off a thing of diapers if you buy a thing of wipes. Like, you're going to be buying diapers and wipes probably, so. And it doesn't expire for a few months. Then I got a pack of water wipes. This is 10 free of the water wipes. And then there's a coupon on the back that has $1 off any water wipes. So if you want to try those out. And water wipes. Those are great for the diaper bag, like just having a 10-pack, you know. Then there's a Eucerin Baby, 0.35 ounces, eczema relief, colloidal oatmeal enriched skin protectant cream. It's a teeny tiny sample, but hey, I'm taking it. There's just a couple more things in here. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Massage Lotion for stretch marks for mommy. It's just a little teeny packet, like a single use. Aquaphor Advanced Healing Ointment, Advanced Therapy for Baby. Teeny tiny packet. Graco, however you say it. Just like a big old flyer, but there's no coupons that I see. No coupons. It's just like information about what products they have. Save $1 on any Nook pacifier coupon. Save $2 on Nook bottles coupon. And sorry for the noise. A Baby Ganix Moisturizing Daily Lotion fragrance free packet. And then another coupon that talks about ordering your breast pump. TargetBreastPump.com. That is it. That is what is in the Target Baby Registry box. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.